Meowdy YouTube, and welcome back to another video. By the time you're watching this video, I'm probably on vacation, so I hope you enjoy this video. I tried to schedule a few videos while I'm away so you guys still have content for me. Anyways, let's dive into some Japan vending machines. There are some crazy ones out there. I love this video so much, so I hope you guys love it too. Let's do it. Let's see what's unique in Japan. Screw it.
JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。今度の
Maybe cooking over here. Is this corn in a can? Corn in a bottle? What is this?
今度の6番線の停車川越行きです。Thank you for riding.
Corn milk. Corn soup? Well, that says milk. That has to be a corn milk. You've actually seen this? Is it a banger? I'm not gonna lie, when I was in Japan, I'd be trying some random shit I found at the corner store at 7-Eleven when I was there. I loved banana milk. Did not try corn milk. Didn't know that this was a thing, but I loved their banana milk there. Yeah, I think it would kind of like remind me of like a sweet corn or like what's the thing? The milky corn that comes in a can. A red bean type of soup. I feel like these are just like kind of like a drinkable dessert. Yeah, cream corn. That's where I was getting at. You like what you know what? It was pretty good. The milky corn in a can? Yeah, you got what I was saying. But I like cream corn. What? Even has red beans on it. Oh, more red beans. Red bean cone? Ice cream wrapped in a cone with red bean paste? Question mark. I love how they have literally like vending machines everywhere for everything though. Oh, it looks pretty good. All right, I'm down. I'm in there. What does the inside look like? Yeah, show the inside. This was really good. Okay. Yeah, I'm in there. Would try. 101%. I've had these before. Wait. These are just like the little chocolate filled like graham cracker type thing. Jesus Christ. Did you guys hear that? I was trying to talk and sneeze at the same time. And then I didn't know what to do. And then I fumbled my sneeze. Sorry. I've definitely had these before. Wait, I think I have them right now. I probably do have them right now. I get Japanese snacks sometimes for fun because I like them. I think they taste good. Yeah, I've definitely had these. That's talent. And that was me struggling. But I always struggle, so it's no different. Look how cute they are! Yeah. I've gotten plenty of red bean paste here. It's just For me personally, it's not my go-to flavor. I prefer like the honeydew ones over red bean. So I do eat red bean paste sweets, but I prefer going for the melon option because normally if I go to like a shop that has red bean, they normally always have a melon option. Yeah, you can probably buy them at Stairs. Definitely now. There's also like the big international aisle, and the international aisle is way bigger than what it used to be. That was me sneezing, but attempting to talk at the same time. Like, I love like the honeydew buns, so I normally get like a honeydew bun. Typically. Yeah, these shirts are really good. I love, you know what? Who's this creator? I don't even know who this is. DancingBacons? Fuck yeah. Shout out to DancingBacons for taking his time and showing us every single different koala frickin' print on the crackers. My goat. Chat. Do you think they sell apple juice here? Sorry, I had to. Wait, I've had this too. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. I love apple juice though. And I was in Amori, so this makes sense. Also, chat, this is your sign. If you ever want to visit Japan, get save and go visit Japan. 10 out of 10 recommend. He even has a little glass with him out in the snow. Apple juice? Shit's good. Nah? Good shit, good shit. What is this? Apple pies? What? Oh. Oh, he must be in Amori in the big center thingy. Okay. Okay. They're home of the apples. Shit. You're telling me you can get this from a vending machine? All this video is going to want me... This video is going to convince me to go back to Japan on vacation. Is what this video is about to convince me to do. The texture is still nice. You're telling me the struggle meals was not making you hungry? Were the struggle meals not appealing enough? No! I wonder how this tastes. Was it salmon roe? You get a cool fancy cooler bag. Oh shit! I probably would have changed my mind. The loaf? I ate dinner prior to stream. Yeah, it's like 10 USD. Yeah. I'm surprised. Worth trying? Still worth trying once? I have to put it on the list. See, I gotta go back. I gotta go try it. Oh no! I tripped and fell and ended back up in Japan. Whatever will I do? Horse meat sashimi? Was that? Okay, that's the right. That was the right. I don't know, man. That's what my caption's telling me. I literally had to rewind to make sure that's what I was reading, and that was what I was reading. Actually, he has his own subtitles on. Do you like his subtitles, or do you want my YouTube ones back on? Does it matter? See, I have subtitles on for when I watch like Wuthering Waves and Senless Zone Zero updates and stuff. It is random horse meat sashimi. Mmm. Holy shit. You get the instructions and everything. This is wild. I'm like... I'm intrigued. I am intrigued. $30 for this? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I would try horse sashimi. He thought it tasted okay. I have found more gacha vending machines. Oh my gosh. Me gacha? That's what I'm saying. Nah, they're 3,000 yen. I mean, for the quality, I guess, of the meat or whatever you're getting, that's probably on par, but that's still a lot of money. A gacha blind box is wild. Imagine you're paying 3,000 yen to get a gacha meat box from the vending machine. Wild. Roast chicken. Okay. What's this? Chicken prosciutto? This is not a bad pull. I can't believe there's gotcha machines on chicken, but like I'm not surprised either. Should have did a temple. I would have loved to do a temple. I wonder how many different different food there is in there. You can only find in Japan? Interesting. Interesting. It's like a salty ham, but with a different texture. Wild! Popular fast food? Huh? Denny's? KFC? McDonald's? He's buying a Big Mac combo from a vending machine? Good morning, TJ. How are you? This is supposed to be a McDonald's meal. Hello, Hawk. What is this? Oh, like a coupon. Ah! This is what that is? That makes sense then. You get a receipt. Interesting. Well, good morning. Good morning. Interesting. I was so confused. So you can just buy a coupon for wherever you want to go. That makes more sense. Thank you for the head pat. I'm doing fantastic. I'm learning so much right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's wild that it's just that cheaper to go buy it there. That's a good, I would say good meal. Good stuff. Yeah, it's cheaper to get the coupon. Yeah, you're just basically, I guess, paying like a fee, right? For like a coupon, like when they send you coupons in the mail or like coupons on your app or whatever, that's what you're getting here. Bro, that actually looks like a good salad from McDonald's. Hey yo. Huh. Mustard check? Will do, will do. The bacon lettuce burger? Bacon burger wrapped in lettuce? Oh no, bacon burger with lettuce. Oh, thank you! I appreciate that, Bubba. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, so it's just an all-dressed burger. Yeah! Looks pretty banging, not gonna lie. Damn, look at that quality of bacon. Good value, filling meal. 10 out of 10. Bought from vending machine. Of course. Yummy! Ah, that makes sense. Not everyone can buy one. It's teas. Wild! I love, they have to have that big sign for everyone to know what it is. You're telling me it costs the same much for a thingy of tea as it does for a pack of cigarettes. Whoa! Craziness. Green tea. It does look like a pack of cigarettes, though. It really does. That's crazy. Not tea. I don't drink tea. I will drink matcha sometimes. But I used to buy those all the time for like coffee. And I actually enjoyed a lot of them. You gotta move to Japan now for the cigarettes. 340 in Japan. That's what he just said. And some vending machines. Tea time. Mix that shit up. Mix it up. We're still buying teas? I can't believe. Imagine you come home with this. People would think you are bringing home smuggling cigarettes for sure until they actually look at it. That's about $12 for 14 a pack, and that's USD. That's wild. I wonder how much they cost here. Surely like $20 a pack then. 2025. Craziness. No gold leaf here. Curses. It does look like a pretty solid tea on the go, though. Like, you don't have time to sit there and steep your tea. Doesn't it look good? Am I delusional? Wow, I am, but... Oh, there's the gold leaves. They're tiny. Yummy, 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 yummy. Tea, 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 tea. Yummy. Well, I don't think the leaves really add much to it. Nah, it's just regular tea. It was just tea that you buy from a vending machine. So regular. Nothing special. Normal tea. Well done. Now you got now you guys learned about tea. Welcome to Japan tea from the vending machine. Before too, yeah, no, they sell tea in like to-go packets like cigarettes as like a souvenir. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to show the support, and I will catch you guys all on the flip side. Have a wonderful day and goodbye, goodbye.